Hello, today we will guide you through how to use QuickBooks Online for beginners. In this walkthrough, we'll take a simple tour through some of the main areas inside QuickBooks Online so you can get more comfortable moving around the platform. If you're new to the system, this is a great way to understand where key tools are located and what each section is generally used for. To begin, go to the home page in QuickBooks Online. This is the main starting point for your account and usually gives you a broad overview of your business activity. Think of it as your dashboard, where you can quickly access important features and get oriented before diving into specific tasks. Once you're on the home page, click on Feed. This section is helpful because it brings together updates and activity in one place. For beginners, the feed can make it easier to stay aware of what's happening in the account without needing to search through multiple menus. From there, click on Reports. Reports are one of the most valuable parts of QuickBooks Online because they help you review your financial information in a clear and organized format. Even if you're just getting started, it's useful to know where this area lives since reports are often used to track performance, monitor cash flow, and prepare for tax time or business reviews. Next, click on All Apps. This area gives you a broader view of the tools and sections available inside QuickBooks Online. It's a useful place to explore when you want to understand how the platform is laid out and where to find different business functions. After that, click on Accounting. The Accounting section is where you'll typically find core financial records and bookkeeping-related tools. As a beginner, becoming familiar with this section can help you better understand how your transactions and accounts are organized behind the scenes. Next, click on Expenses. This area is used for managing money going out of the business, such as purchases, bills, and other costs. Knowing where the Expenses section is can help you stay on top of spending and keep your records accurate. Then, click on Sales. The Sales section focuses on money coming into the business. This is where you generally manage customer-related income activity, and it's an important area for tracking revenue and staying organized with incoming payments. As you move through these sections, take a moment to notice the layout and menu structure in each one. Getting familiar with the navigation now will make it much easier to work confidently in QuickBooks Online later. That's it for this beginner tour, and you now have a solid starting point for exploring the platform.